Hey guys, today we're going to learn condensation. Condensation is a process when a gas is turned into a liquid by the changes of pressure or temperature. It mostly occurs when a hot gas is touching a cooler surface. Here I put some water in the pressure cooker. Then I close the lid. And remember, do not put the whistle on it. Then I put a glass over it. Then place a small bowl or a dish under the glass. So then the water vapor should be setting on the glass and should be turning into small droplets, and then the small droplets should be going in the small bowl. You can also use other techniques, like here I used a lid. Then let the water vapor set on the lid and cross the lid slightly so the water falls in the small bowl or dish. Click on the next video if you want to watch magnetic separation. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give a big fat thumbs up. And if you have any questions, be sure to comment down below. And if you want to see my upcoming videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And that's it guys, condensation out.